Hey there, it's Samantha Thompson with 31 Gifts, and I wanted to share with you our brand new utility pocket for fall 2023. So if you are like me, you don't know how you could live without a large utility tote. I have so many of these and I use them for so many uses. It's kind of my go-to whenever I'm leaving the house. If I need to bring anything anywhere, this is kind of my go-to. And I've heard so many of you over the years say, man, I wish it just had a little more structure to it, or I wish it would kind of stand up on its own. And this is your solution. So this is our utility pocket organizer. It's got a hard, stable sides and bottom to it. Fits right inside your large utility tote. You attach it right here through the grommets, the snaps, and it goes right through your grommets. And on the inside, you've got extra organization. So lots of pockets around the sides so that you can kind of put whatever you want in there. And then I'll show you another item that we came up with this season as well. That's also amazing for the utility tote. So this is our soft cooler insert. And if you weren't using your utility pocket, you could put this in here. It fits right down in the middle. So it kind of gives you that spacing where you have, room on each side. You kind of have some different compartments. Again, it's going to snap through with the grommets right here. And then you open it up here at the top. And you can see you have a nice thermal lined cooler on the inside. So if you have a large utility tote, you can grab this soft cooler insert and you can grab this utility pocket, and now you actually have, like 3 different bags, right? No matter what you're doing, whether you're out and about, you're gonna have the solution that's perfect for you. If you have any questions, let me know.